Yeah, okay.
Your Spectre tint installed.
Spectre, eh? The highest infrared heat rejection. Perfect.
And for backup, you'll also need
That was exciting.
ceramic Elite
Yeah, take on a semi, mate. What could possibly go wrong?
the odd crossfire.
Very nice.
Northbound lanes at Burrows Street, and in fact,
Down in the fast lane, fucking, oh my god. Hospitality venues, and need a 6-day of no new cases. Current restriction of one person within 4 square metres. You got a long way. Going fucking filtering between cars at 100 k's an hour. What a fucking moron.
Discover seamless connections across the US and beyond with our extensive network. Find your way and experience an unparalleled journey across 4 products, including Delta Premium.
Thomas, you'll go second. Ready to play? Ready. First game. We're looking for thrilling activities that you would classify
dumb
as
fuck.
thrill or exciting.
Slightly red. Sorry.
Set him up, Joe. I got a little story.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and
Oh, he's going the wrong side of the lights. Did you press it?
Yes.
Did it work?
Think of the Sydney Opera House. Buddy says there's a lot to love about the West Coast.
What we have that other states don't have is affordable cost of living. They don't have the incredible weather here, the great social services, the support. Western Australia's a great place to live.
I know, it's okay, I know the guy! He's a jerk! Ah!
3 individual time trial. Parker says she's in disbelief.
I really can't believe it. I certainly didn't expect that. It was such a tough race. I just treated it like a time trial and made the most of my opportunity on the first hill to get away.
She bought her a new lunch bag, like the cooler, and a lunchbox that had like all the... Oh!
We'll be dancing in the dance, 'cause we're coming through.
Fucking hell! Just fucking let it give away!
Jesus Christ!
What a shit box.
The fuck?
I'm bad, and I'm better than ever.
Dickhead. Christ. Idiot.
Wherever I built, we've always had security, whether we're building high residential
units, or whether we're doing commercial offices, or whether we're doing a data centre or something like that. It's all the same. We have the same security. The whole thing is we have to stop people getting in.
Do you think your gates are more secure than the site next door, who have simply got waist height traffic barrier? They've not got electric gates. All they've got is a waist height traffic barrier.
Get off the fucking road, fuck stick. I mean, I guess they figure if it says fucking 10%, it's not gonna. Fuck are you doing? Wow, just ran a fuck. You fucking idiot. What the hell are you doing? You moron.
You're right. This is stupid. Like, what are we? Because the information. I need to pee. The information you're telling me is not correct.
One of those birds that attacked me the other night. Oh, look at this old fella. Did you catch him?
Oh, I'm on to Scotty. Nice old one there, Scotty. Oh, look at that one, Scotty.